I'm George Barcelon. I'm presently the chairman of Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industries. 2017, well, by the fact that I was president of PCCI and maraming mga regional at saka NCR chapters, active sila. And we encourage them because of the fact that it's really a advocacy to encourage small or entrepreneurs. Ang favorite moments is really to share something of my own business experience. No? And I really share my thoughts that you have to have a commitment na ang isip nyo na talagang yung product o yung service, you are to help people. Kasi yung mga iba, ang isip nila to make money right away. So I tell them the reality of it is not that easy. So look at it long term. Okay? At saka meron naman mga organization that will help you. So those are moments that I think I myself also learned something from them. Because when you're listening to what they're encountering, it's added information for me also. So once in a while, when I have time, I enjoy the kind of interaction.
Kasama ang lahat ngayon, wala nang iwanan. Bawat isa ngayon sa atin ay magtutulungan.